Calcium cannot get into the cell without vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for the assimilation and utilisation of calcium. And when calcium gets in, remember, all the other minerals piggyback on the back. How do we get vitamin D? What's vitamin D made from? Cholesterol. The ultraviolet rays from the sun, but there's only one ray that'll do it, it's UVB. Ultraviolet B rays. When they hit the skin, they convert a form of cholesterol just under the skin to vitamin D. And vitamin D is what is necessary to be able to use our calcium and get all the other minerals. So if someone's on cholesterol-lowering medication, it's quite possible they're able to make vitamin D. And the glass stops the UVB rays, and sunscreens totally stop UVB rays. So when Michael and I went on a holiday to Bali, and every day I went down and laid by the pool to get a suntan, I didn't have sunscreen, I had a clock. 15 minutes front, 15 minutes back, and then sat under the umbrella. I do that every morning and every night, and within 4 days I had a very nice tan. And my tan was a UVB tan. And that tan lasts a long time. And when I have that tan, I can endure much more sun. The darker the skin, the more sun you need. So how much sun do you need? Well, we've got a saying in Australia, how long's a piece of string? It can be an inch, it can be 10 inches. It all depends on your skin. So I have what they called milky skin. That's why I have a white. Because if I'm there too long, I'll be burnt. And 6 to 10 sunburns in your lifetime can double your risk of skin cancer. But they're finding today that vitamin D deficiency is a big contributing factor to skin cancer. The sun's not the problem. The problem is many skins are fat deficient, cholesterol deficient, dehydrated, releasing chemicals that have been going into the body. So all of these factors, and as you've seen with many things we've looked at, it's often not just one thing or this, it's a whole lot of little things. A whole lot of little things that add up together to create the problem. And it didn't happen overnight. It's often many years in the making. So please access the sun. But if you have a shower and wash your body with soap and lie out in the sun, you'll get no vitamin D because you need oil on the skin, the natural oils, because the body uses the cholesterol just under the skin. But if you lie out in the sun and then go and have a shower and wash yourself with soap, you won't get any vitamin D because it takes about 2 hours for the body to develop that vitamin D. But if you're by the sea and you're lying in the sun and then you dive in the sea, you won't lose your vitamin D because you haven't scrubbed the oils away with soap. So to just have a shower with water will not wash your oils away. And your body stores vitamin D very well, but we do need some exposure to the sun.